Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. If you are live, say hello. If you are on the replay, hashtag replay. Tell me when you came in to see this project being done. Today we are doing Those We Love Don't Go Away. They Walk Beside Us Every Day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. I thought this was a good one to do for Remembrance Day. So when you're jumping on, say hello. Just started the live and I'm already in tears. So we're just going to share this out. When you jump on, if you could do the same, that would be awesome. It's funny, every time I read that, I start crying. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this so that I can share it. Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I don't know who's on with me right now. If it's you, Brian, say hello. It won't tell me whenever it's you. If it's somebody else, please let me know who it is too. If I don't see you, I don't know who you are, so say hello. We're just trying to get this shared out. Did I share it even on my own timeline? Probably not. Here we go. How's everybody doing? I'm going to try and move this around a bit. Make sure nothing falls off. Hey everybody. So I have this frame. I'm going to put the transfer over the frame. You can change out the picture in the background for whoever this piece will be for, or be because of. And this is what we're going to chalk. I'm thinking what we'll do is we'll use the white paste for today. And tomorrow I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you a way that you can do the, what's the word? Etching that we haven't yet tried. I hope it goes as well. It'll be fun. So let's just line this up the best we can. Push it down so that it is without bubbles in the places that there shouldn't be. This is a used transfer, so I did not fuzz. Normally I would, especially when you're doing it on plastic or like, this is just like a hard plastic. It's not actual glass. So we're just going to do it like this. And I'm just going to chalk the white over top. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk VIP. Ooh, this needs serious water. Okay. Oh, Paul, can you do me a favor? Can you grab me the squirt bottle? And can you find me my multi-purpose tool? It's the big long stick one. Yeah. Thank you. I have my husband in the background because we're doing this at night. Normally he's at work. So I'm just putting distilled water in here. We want this nice and creamy. And I haven't used my white in a long time. So I'm using a bunch of it because it is a bigger jar. Normally we get our 3-ounce jars. This happens to be an 8-ounce because I was told I'd really use my white. And I really don't. Not much. Not as much as most people, I guess. A lot of people like to keep their stuff black and white. A lot of people that are watching me on my lives always ask for different colors. So I haven't done a lot of white and black. But it's always fun. Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm just stirring up my paste. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. And we're just stirring up the paste. We'll get this all nice and creamy. Ooh, yeah. Looks like I did just enough. Let me know where you're coming in from. If you can, please share this out on your own wall or in any groups that allow it. So we're just going to lay that over here. And I'm just going to grab a squeegee. And this is all you do. You just take a little bit on your squeegee. And we're just going to pull through, making sure to not miss any of the letters. Make sure you get it all the way. Grabbing all the excess. There are little bubbles in here, but as long as it's not in the silk screen where you need to be able to put the chalk, you're good. And again, because this is chalk, I can wipe it off and redo it or put another project on this surface because it is washable. Couldn't think the word. If we wanted to make this permanent, we would use the chalk ink. And if you go to tellystalkingchalk.ca, you will find all my finished products and links to my business site. So please check that out. All right, sorry guys. We're having some technical difficulties today with my my live, but we're good. Paul, can you even it up? No, So we're just pulling this through. How are you, Carolyn? I see you. Everybody jumps on now that my phone fell over. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're having some little bit of difficulties, but we're getting it done. We're just going to pull this up and then we will be done, and I will show you how it is. I guess I could have. Huh. Did that, but yeah, it's working out decent. There we go. There is a bit of lines, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you how we would do this. I'm sorry, but yes, this is how it turned out. Now again, you can change out the photo in the background. Clearly, I just grabbed this from the store and just chalked on it, but you can put a loved one in the background. And with the white, it really like shows it through, even if you were to use like a different color, it might make the picture not look as well. So that is our finished project. It was just a quick one, but with the way things are going, it needs to be quick. I hope everybody has a good night, and I will be back tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and I will see you then. Bye, guys. I can't reach you.